What's up everyone? Thank you so much for joining us today, and you guys are going to learn how to create an awesome telescope in just a few easy steps. Join us from your own home and have a star party on Friday, March 19th, where you can use your own DIY telescope to look up at the night sky and look at the stars and constellations. Don't forget to show us your star party. Make sure you guys take some pictures and tag us at ESRecandParks on Instagram. You can also email your photos to recreation@elsegondo.org by Sunday, March 21st to be entered in the photo contest to win some cool prizes. Let's get into it. To make a telescope at home, you will need the following materials: 2 paper towel tubes, scissors, masking tape, paint of any color that you would like, and some brushes, and 2 convex lenses. There is a link for where you can purchase these on our website. First, paint and decorate both of your paper towel tubes. I've already painted these, but if you paint them, make sure you let them dry first. Next, we're going to create the inner tube of the telescope. You're going to take one of the tubes and your scissors, and you're going to cut lengthwise all the way up across the tube. Then, you're going to curl those edges, fold them, and tape that. Then you're going to take your inner tube and fit it into the second tube. It should fit pretty snugly, but you can adjust it if you need to. Next, you're going to take your convex lens and you're going to tape one to each end of the paper towel tubes. Make sure you don't tape too much, so leave some tape just around the rim. Now that you've taped both lenses to each end of your paper towel tubes, join us from your homes on Friday, March 19th for our star party. Remember, never use your telescope to look at the sun.